As tensions rise between the United States, Israel, and Iran, a critical question emerges here at home. What does this conflict mean for India? The developments in the Middle East may seem geographically distant, but economically they are much closer than they appear. From oil prices to trade routes, and from stock markets to air travel, the ripple effects could be significant if the situation escalates further. A substantial portion of India's crude oil imports passes through the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow but strategically vital channel connecting the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea. Any disruption in this corridor can immediately tighten global oil supply. Crude prices have already risen sharply on fears of instability. For India, which imports more than 80% of its oil needs, sustained higher prices would mean increased fuel cost, pressure on inflation, and strain on the current account deficit. While the government has tools such as tax adjustment and strategic petroleum reserves to cushion short-term shocks, a prolonged conflict would make fuel management increasingly difficult. Beyond oil, the Middle East hosts critical maritime routes such as Bab el-Mandeb Strait, linking the Red Sea to global shipping lanes. Heightened military activity has prompted shipping companies to reassess routes. Danish shipping giant Maersk has already diverted vessels away from high-risk areas. Such rerouting can add up to 2 to 3 weeks in transit time, increasing freight charges and insurance premiums. For India, whose exports to United States and Europe form a significant share of merchandise trade, longer shipping routes could impact delivery schedules and raise costs for exporters across sectors, from electronics to agricultural products. The benchmark BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 witnessed sharp declines amid rising crude prices and global uncertainty. The rupee too weakened against the US dollar. Investors typically move cautiously during geopolitical crises, particularly when energy prices are involved. If tensions persist, volatility in Indian equities and currency markets could continue. The Middle East serves as a key transit hub for flights between India and destinations in Europe and North America. With airspace restrictions and safety concerns, airlines including Air India, Emirates, and Qatar Airways have cancelled or rerouted services. Longer flight paths increase fuel consumption and operational cost, potentially leading to higher ticket prices. Thousands of Indian passengers, including expatriates and tourists, are already facing delays and cancellation. Crude oil is a foundational input across industries, from transportation and logistics to packaging, plastics, and petrochemicals. Higher oil prices can push up manufacturing costs. Over time, this may translate into higher prices for everyday consumer goods. Insurance premiums for ships navigating high-risk zones are also rising, adding further pressure to trade expenses. For now, Indian authorities are closely monitoring the situation and there are no immediate reports of supply shortages. However, the duration and intensity of the conflict will determine the scale of impact on the Indian economy. In an interconnected global system, geopolitical shocks travel quickly. What happens in the Middle East does not stay in the Middle East. For India, the coming weeks will be crucial in assessing how deep and how lasting these economic ripples will be.